Y'all, in less than 2 hours, I will be getting in an Uber and going to the airport for the first time since February. Yeah, it's been like, what is that? Like 10 months without traveling on a plane, which is unusual because I used to travel for work. I used to be in and out of that airport. But this year, I've been working from like right here, like literally the couch for most of my time. So I'm excited. I mean, last night I packed and, got all the hand sanitizer and masks and all that stuff set up. And just, I'm looking forward to it because I bought a one-way ticket. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay. I don't know if we'll end up traveling elsewhere. So I was encouraged to bring my passport. But I'm definitely gonna record this trip and see where we end up. Hey, here we go.
We will now be walking through the cabin to ensure everyone is wearing their mask properly.
Whoa, look at our neighbor's car. How cool.
The marine layer. Some mornings get it, some mornings you don't.
Good morning from the promenade in Santa Monica. We are about to ride some bikes. It's like 8:40 a.m. Not too many people out yet because it's Saturday.
We ride to Malibu, you want to ride to Venice?
I don't know, babe. Where should we go?
Malibu or Venice?
You name it.
Bougie or artsy?
Figure it out.
Bougie or ratchet?
Came up on a video shoot, y'all. All right.
What's up? No hands.
Can he do it with no hands?
Here we are in the beautiful Santa Monica. Here's my beautiful woman here. She's getting changed right now.
It's hot out here. We had to shut a layer already. And it's 9 o'clock in the morning. The clouds you see behind me are called the marine layer. So even in the 20 or 30 minutes that we've been riding, it went from blue skies to a little humid and overcast. But that's pretty common. It's still really nice out. We didn't even mean to match, but we're both wearing black and white. So cute.
Right now we're at the very end of Route 66. Turns into I-10.
I'm back. So I braved the traffic, went back to the Airbnb for a little bit just to hang out, and now I'm back in Santa Monica. Joey gets off work in like 2 hours, so I thought I'd come catch the sunset. So this is where we were riding bikes earlier, just our sunset time now.
Here we are at the Baldwin Hill Scenic Overlook. We just went up about 1,000 stairs. Now we're in the midst of the clouds.
Vital Proteins just hooked us up. We ran into a promo. Look at this. These are all 3 boxes of lemon ginger. So what a day. We're back. We just took the most needed showers after that hike. And now we are going to drop this guy off at work. And then I'm gonna take the car to go see my friend Sabrina. So excited. This is my friend Sabrina. I'm so excited she's here. I haven't seen her in forever.
Welcome to the West Coast, baby.
Yeah. So you might recognize this place. It's called Rodeo Drive. Very familiar. Check it out. So I don't know if you guys can hear this, but we're currently standing in an echo chamber. Recognize where we are. Look at this iconic sign. Beverly Hills. What up, guys? Happy Monday. We just got off work and decided to go for a quick hike. Well, maybe quick. It could take the rest of the evening. We'll see. But we decided to come to what's called the Los Leones Canyon. And this is on the edge of Malibu. He's lying. We just started this hike. He's not tired. It's funny that the birds are hiking when they could just fly. You liking California?
California's my jam.
Yeah, I like it here too. It's really magical. We're hiking into the sunset right now. Look at our reflection is getting like really sunny.
I know, right? We're glowing.
Wow, yeah, let's show. Check this out. You too. We made it to the end. Back where we started. There she is. Caddy. Look at this vandalism. Got some non-Texas lovers out here. Yeah, it's crazy. We had to.